Hello friends, all the pre-ordered print kalamkari sarees are ready to dispatch. Let's see one by one. This is the first saree, which is pure Kanchi silk with a Kanchi border. The saree has got lotus in the body. This is the second saree. This is again a Kanchi saree which has got a beautiful Kanchi pallu, and the body of the saree has got a yellow base with flowers, elephants and cow. This is again a Kanchi border pallu saree in blue color. The body of the saree has got a beautiful girl going in the palakku in the downwards of the saree. This is a pink pallu and border Kanchi saree. The body has got a pond theme which has beautiful lotus and swans. This is a red color Kanchi pallu and the border. It has also got a beautiful two females standing under the tree. The body has got flowers. The next saree is a beautiful Kanchi border and the pallu. The body of the saree has got a beautiful fish. This saree has made in the pond theme which has lotus and fishes in the pond. The next saree is again a Kanchi border and the pallu. This is a long border saree which has got a beautiful village theme in the body of the saree. This is again a beautiful Kanchi border saree which has got a long border with a beautiful peacock and flowers in the body of the saree. It has lotus, you can see a peacock and flowers in the body. You can see the Kanchi border which has also got elephants and peacock. This is the pallu which has got peacock and the full zari. This is the whole look of the saree. This beautiful saree was inspired by Lakshmi Manchu Kalamkari saree. The next saree is again a beautiful pen Kalamkari saree, made it on Paithani sarees. This is a Kanchi silk which has Paithani work and has also got Kalamkari work in the body of the saree. So in the pallu you can see the beautiful Paithani work. A bird is sitting in the branch of the tree. The pallu has got a beautiful Paithani work and the body has got a beautiful Kalamkari work. So you can see the body has got beautiful flowers and below portion it has got Paithani work. This is the pallu, has again got a Paithani work. All these sarees are purely hand painted with vegetable dyes. This is again a Ganga Jamuna border saree, a Rudraksha border in pink and green color. The body of the saree has got a beautiful green color and the pallu has got a pink color. The body of the saree has got beautiful creepers with peacocks. So this is a Ganga Jamuna border type and got beautiful peach color flowers and a peacock. All these sarees are purely hand painted and comes along with a silk mark certification. So the pallu, body, the whole look of the saree. So now let's see Mangalagiri silk cotton kalamkari sarees. All these sarees are beautiful pen kalamkari sarees which has made on Mangalagiri cotton silks. If you would like to book these collections, kindly screenshot the saree and send it to the above given WhatsApp number. So all these are Mangalagiri cotton silk sarees. Next sarees are going to be a beautiful Kanchi border and the pallu sarees. All these sarees are pure Kanchi silk, has got Kanchi border and the pallu. So this is the base of the Kanchi saree which we will be customizing the designs. This is a long border one. This is a Lakshmi Manchu inspired saree. So this is yet another beautiful Kanchi border pen kalamkari saree. All these sarees are Tasso silk pen kalamkari saree. Hope you love these collections. Do subscribe our channel for more beautiful collections. Thank you.